Hi, my name is Dr. Evoris Ruta. I am a founder and CEO of Mavunolab. We conduct research and development of farm technologies to help small-scale farmers in Tanzania avoid food loss and waste. In this presentation, I am going to share a brief overview of a project to address post-harvest and food safety challenges facing small-scale seaweed farmers in Zanzibar. But before I talk about our project in Zanzibar, I would like to recognize and send special thanks to the Global Seaweed Coalition Fund for recognizing our work in Tanzania, but also for funding this project. So according to a number of studies, Zanzibar is the largest producer of seaweed in Africa. Seaweed farming is also a major source of income for more than 30,000 people in Zanzibar, majority of them being women. It is estimated that about 170,000 tons of seaweed are produced annually in Zanzibar, mainly for international export market. But despite this massive economic potential of seaweed industry in Zanzibar, small-scale seaweed farmers in Zanzibar face a number of post-harvest and food safety challenges, one of them being the over-reliance of using traditional seaweed drying methods such as open sun drying, which is inefficient and unreliable, but also expose consumer to a number of foodborne diseases. But studies have also shown that inefficient seaweed drying and processing method also lead to income loss for seaweed farmer, but also a poor quality of seaweed that is produced, which affect the ability for small-scale seaweed farmers to sell it to international markets. So to address post-harvest and food safety challenges that Zanzibar seaweed farmers face, our project is going to do the following activities. The first one, we will do post-harvest technology need assessment to examine food safety and post-harvest training and knowledge gaps that farmers have. This will be followed up by providing training on efficient seaweed harvesting, handling, and food safety protocols that farmers have to follow. After the training, we will deploy 4 units of Mavunolab solar dryer to help small-scale seaweed farmers in Zanzibar avoid spoilage, but also achieve quality seaweed at the end of the harvest season. Finally, we will collect data and monitor the performance of our dryer, but also look at the quality of the seaweed that comes from our solar dryers. So our solar drying technology was developed in 2022. It has a capacity to process up to 250 kilograms of food commodities in less than 4 hours. Our project will be implemented into different phases involving the following partners: Healthy Seaweed Cafe, Zanzibar Cluster Seaweed Initiative, and Kalume Institute of Science and Technology.